Hello students. So students, we are going through chapter number 11 and we have already completed till point number 5. Now we are going to start with the next point, that is number 6, and number 6 is mechanics. So Ravi Minocha is a mechanic. He repairs scooters and motorcycles. So he is Ravi and he repairs different scooters and motorcycles. He also manned the punctures and the tools he used includes a spanner, this one, wrench, this one, screwdriver, this one, hammer, this one, and pliers. So these are all the tools that are used by the mechanic or Ravi in order to mend punctures and also to repair the scooters and the motorcycles. So after finishing his job, after finishing his schooling, he learned to do his job at a motor repairing shop. So students, Ravi, he has completed his schooling and then only he learned his job at a very proper shop, that is motor repairing shop. There he studied about how to be a very perfect mechanic. So this one is completed. Moving on to number 7, electrician. So Hari Prasad is an electrician. So he is Hari Prasad. He fits wire, switches, bulbs and fan. So Hari Prasad, he fit the wire, switches, bulbs and fan. हरि प्रसाद एक इलेक्ट्रिशियन है और वो वायर को, स्विच को, बल्ब को और फैन को वो फिट करते हैं. He repair electrical appliances as well. So he is also an expert in repairing the electrical appliances. The tools he use are the drills, screwdriver, pliers. So these are the tools that are used by Hari Prasad while doing his job. He learned to do his work at an industrial training institute known as ITI. So he has learned his job, he has practiced his work in an industrial training institute known as ITI. So next is driver. So Jeevan Das is our school bus driver. So he is Jeevan Das and he is our school bus driver. He drives our bus slowly and safely. So he also drives the bus very slowly and safely. He learned to drive the bus from his elder brother, who is also an expert driver. So Hari Prasad has practiced driving from his elder brother, and his elder brother is also an expert in driving. He has a driving license. So Hari Prasad, he has a license for driving. He got his driving license after passing a driving test. So students, it's not so easy for getting the driving license. For that you have to pass the driving test, then only you will get the driving license. So जीवन दास हमारे स्कूल का ड्राइवर है और वो बहुत स्लोली बस चलाते हैं एंड उन्होंने अपने भैया से ड्राइविंग सीखा है और उनके भैया भी बहुत एक्सपर्ट है एंड जीवन दास उनके पास ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस भी है. ओके, सो नंबर 9 इज़ Dr. Ritesh Mehta is our family doctor. So he is Ritesh Mehta and he is our family doctor. He treats people who are ill or injured. So कोई भी ill होता है या फिर injured होता है उनको रितेश दास वो treat करते हैं. I also visit his clinic when I am sick. So whenever he is sick, he used to visit Ritesh Mehta whenever he is sick. he uses a stethoscope. So this one is a stethoscope, this one, and he keeps the stethoscope on my chest to listen to my heartbeat. So he keep the stethoscope in the chest to listen the heartbeat. He give me medicine to cure my sickness. So students, we all know that doctor give us medicine in order to cure our sickness. So हमें ठीक करने के लिए डॉक्टर हमें क्या देते हैं? मेडिसिन. सो आई गेट वेल आफ्टर टेकिंग द मेडिसिन. सो जब भी ये मेडिसिन खाता था तो उनको मेडिसिन से उनका बीमारी को छुटकारा मिल गया. He went to a medical college to learn how to do his job. So डॉक्टर होने के लिए कहाँ जाना ज़रूरी है? मेडिकल कॉलेज. वहाँ पे जाके अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना होता है, पढ़ाई करना होता है, देन ओनली ही कैन बी अ डॉक्टर. ओके, सो आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू.